Very, very encouraging. Ifeanyi has been when on my time as a region of the president, he built more than 100 houses for people, for indigenous, and it was handed over by me in the course of them. Then Ifeanyi has been a son of the soil, who has so compassionate for people. He didn't actually want the ration with what he has seen. But how many days? He has moved again to say thanks for even coming out. I have to show you the nature of whom he have. And if by the grace of God he won Anambra, said that we have known what will happen. Ifeanyi is not trying to be a governor because he wants money. Already he has gotten access of what can eat from his grandchildren. You understand? But he's trying to help some of us. So the encouragement I'm telling him is he has encouraged himself. I'm not to tell him because there's somebody who will lose the election. He cannot come out by now. He may be sleeping, he may be thinking, but he has the boldness and the courage to come out, which means I'm supporting him. And I'm praying that by the grace of God, he has yet to reach where he's supposed to be.
Well, you know, during electoral processes, there are promises made, promises fulfilled. For me, it's always a way of appreciating my people, my court followers, people who are always ready to vote for me. I told all my structures at every local government that I won, that I have to come back to say thank you to them. And Nnewi North gave me a lot of votes. I won Nnewi North. They made me proud, and that is exactly what I'm doing, reciprocating by coming to say thank you in my little way. Well, we pleaded with everyone, to sheath their sword, and we made several efforts. Also, I want to thank the Inspector General of Police and the service chiefs for the adequate security, and also to thank INEC. They conducted a very fair and calm election.
Thank you. Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.